Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this smoky glitter eye look for you. I'm using the Tart in the Bloom palette and the first shade I'm using is Activist. I'm applying this in the outer part of the eye and then the inner part of the eye. I'm just using a flat shaded brush to pat this in. We're going to leave a gap in the centre of the eye. Next, I'm taking the shade Rebel with a fluffy brush and I'm going to blend the edges out. It's going to look a bit strange at first, but just keep going, the look will come together. Now I'm going to start with my eyeliner. I'm just going along my lash line, we're not creating a wing, just a straight line across. Now I'm going to line my upper and lower waterline and then smudge some of that Rebel shade with a pencil brush under my eye. I like to curl my lashes before I apply my false lashes, and today I'm using the Ardell Mink lashes. Just pop a bit of mascara on to blend everything together. Now time for the glitter. I'm using Barry Glitter Rush and this is in the colour Angel Wings. I'm going to start by using this in the inner corner of my eye and then in the centre where we left that gap. Before you apply this glitter you will need a tiny bit of glue. I just used my lash glue, which is the duo glue in clear. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this. You can use any colour glitter you would like. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!